Make sure you wash, but I wash my spoons. Just you. So guys, this is perfect. So there, the next there, so a perfect happy bird with honey barbecue sauce. Mmm. How to separate chicken wings. This is how separate chicken wings. Very easy. So this recipe is fried wings toast with honey barbecue sauce. Ordinary salt, garlic powder, paprika, so ground black pepper for your seasoning. So mix it all over to incorporate the seasoning and season equally on your chicken wings. The best thing to do, you can marinate overnight so the marination will be absorbed until to the bone. So you can eat the bone if you want. Add 1/2 cup of flour. To keep your chicken wings crispy. So whole egg there. Then next, well, just make it sure you wash your hand before you mix it. But I wash my hands 3 times, so it's okay if I use my hand. Well, we're going to cook around 260 Fahrenheit and deep fry using the high flame in the wok. My kids, they like it now, so good to go for frying. Be careful when you deep frying the wings because the water will splash out into your hand. If you have cold tongs, just your tongue, cold tongue or what you already have. Just be careful. So deep fry probably around 7 to 8 minutes. The perfect crispy, juicy chicken wings, not dry, not overcooked. Second batch here for another batch. So right now it's perfect weather and warm. We cook outside. So this time you need to stir your wings to avoid sticking each other while you're cooking. Chicken wings. One is honey barbecue. So if you want this recipe or the marination, down below the description. Feel free to comment below there for my solid supporters out there. So just mention when you comment if where you're watching from, and next time when I do a cooking or live cooking, I will do a shout out to you there. Please share. It's a big help to our small content creator to make more videos. Right there. So It's almost done. When you cook the chicken wings, make it sure you maintain that oil temperature around 350 to 360 Fahrenheit. So you have a crispy wings, juicy inside and crispy outside. So guys, this is perfect. Look at that, golden brown, perfect color chicken wing. Side and make the sauce. Okay. There you go. First batch done. Honey. Soy sauce. The wings there. So delicious. My mouth is watery. I cannot wait, guys. So this is honey barbecue sauce. Chicken with green onion. So perfect. Look at that. There you go. With the plate. Tara. Happy bird. There you go. Look at that, guys. Honey barbecue sauce. Honey barbecue chicken wings. So let's try this. First bite. So delicious. My mouth is watery. Mm.